Hi guys, this is Maniba. Hope you guys are having a good day, and you guys are watching YouTube channel Beautiful Woman by Sonia Baloch. So if you like the video, let me know and give a thumbs up. And that is all. Let's recreate this look. So first step, we're going to start with our primer. We're going to prime our eyes and then we're going to conceal it. So let's start with the eyes. Okay, I'm going to prime, and you guys can see how I'm gonna do it. I need to replace my beauty blender. So I'm done with concealing my eyes. The palette I'm going to use is this. I am going to use the shade Hot Mess, this one, and I'm going to add it all over my eye like this. I'm going to do same with the other eye. So once you blend, this is how it's going to look, and we're going to take it from this end to this end, all the way, blending it. Let me show you, like this. See, you take a fluffy brush and you blend it. The next shade that I'm going to put in between, like either, is Off Balance, this one, so that it gives a little nude look, so that if you put a little bit glitter, it will pop. Let me show you, and you can use your finger for doing this. See what I'm doing? In the middle, see? Now you can see a little pop just in the middle, so that it gives that perfect look when we put glitter on it. Let me perfect it. So once I blend and I put the shade in between my eyes, this is how it's gonna look. So to cover this thing, we're going to use Cosmic, this one over here, with the finger again, because the best way to apply glitter is with the finger. I mean, comment if you guys agree to it. You guys can tell me if there is other way, but I like to tap it. So you see the beautiful sheen of pink in between. Once we complete this look, you guys will see how beautiful it looks. Just in the middle, yeah. Blend it. Let me complete this and get back to you. You guys get the idea what I'm doing, right? Okay, yeah, see, this is how it's going to look. And to cover again the sides, we're going to use Hot Mess again, the shade we used earlier, and we're going to make a C like this. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Make a C. I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you how you make a C. This is how it's going to look. Okay guys, okay, now for the tricky part. What we have to do is that we have to take the same shade Hot Mess. We're going to tap it a little, and we're going to apply it on inner corners like this. Okay, this is the tough part, so make sure your concentration is 100% on what you're doing. It's gonna look once it is done. Let me get a bit closer. I think I'm not gonna scare you, but yeah, see, this is how it's gonna look, and it's going to look fab once we complete this look. So let's get to it. So this is how it will look with the liner, and the liner that I use is Aqualiner by Clearlam. Okay, so this is how it's going to look with liner and everything. So now for the mascara. This is the best mascara out there, and it's a must-have, I'd say. So I'm gonna apply it and show you how it looks. This is the side curl and length, and now we're going to use the other side that says volume. Let me show it to you guys. Where did it go? Volume. Wow, I mean, seriously, look at it. I have non-existent lashes, but see what this thing did. Wow, I mean, So guys, look what Legit Lashes did. Now for completing the eye look, we're going to use Huda Beauty again in Lashes Hoodie. It's a lengthy number 23. So let me put it on and show you guys how it looks. So while these eyelashes are taking forever to dry, I used Fit Me in shade 115 Luminous Smooth. I used the foundation. I hope you guys won't disown me. I did not show you, but yes, I did use this, and this by far is the best one. I used to use Milani, I have used Huda, but this one is a really nice thing if you want to use it daily. And finally it dried, so let me put it and show you. And this by far is the best one. I used to use Milani, I have used Huda, but this one is a really nice thing if you want to use it daily. And finally it dried, so let me put it and show you. So guys, this is how it's going to look with lashes on. I applied concealer, and yes, this is how it's going to look. And now I'm going to do my contour. Okay, so I'm done with contouring, and the kit that I use for contouring is by Luscious Cosmetics, and this is the shade that I use for contouring. And this is how it's going to look. Now back to highlighter. Okay guys, so I said back to highlighter, but no, it's not back to highlighter, it's blush time. So I'm going to go for a bit of dark pink. See, now finally highlighter. So the highlighter I'm going to use today is by MAC, and it's the shade Snow Flushed Extra Dimension Skin Finish. Okay, so when I bought this one, she said that I can use it as eyeshadow as well. I mean, let me show you how beautiful is that. So I've applied the highlighter, see? I mean, I like the pop to it. Beautiful. And to end the look, lip shade, so I'm going to use Bombshell by again Huda Beauty. I mean, come on Huda, you should, you know, sponsor me or something. It's the shade Bombshell. So yeah, we're going to let it dry and let's see. Okay guys, so this is how this look is going to look once we're done with everything. Not everything, so there's this one thing left, my favorite part of every video, the perfume. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It's Kayali by Huda Beauty again, and this is Musk. It is the most beautiful scent, so whoever buys it, it's a must-have. So use it and let me know and tell me how did you guys like the look and everything. Again, a little bit close up, and yeah, I would really appreciate if you guys would share and support and like. Or if you want more videos, you can, you know, follow me on Instagram. I'm going to comment down my Instagram handle, and yeah, that is it. Thank you. Have a nice day or night.